Everyone, it's David. It's like all my videos are missing on this tractor, so I'll have to do it again. So this is just a basic L, 1953 electric start, but this is my second design. This is the basic maintenance cart. So all it is a box I had from my first cart, which I had to do that video too. It's missing, but I put it on a tool holder upside down. Use a rotary plow front axle, and just put a few spacers underneath it for the box. So, I mean, it's got a lot of uses for it. I mean, I just use this to move batteries, my air compressor, gas, and tractors I got. So, it's pretty big inside. Nothing special to hold bolts down. You know, it's got a lot of room. So, I mean, you can use it for much anything. So, it works for me because I have to walk a little distance, so I need tools every time I go somewhere. So, that's it, just the basic walk behind L on the tool holder. Have a good day, thanks.